Now guys, very important question is why we need to close the file, because if you don't have something like this, so I will comment this out, so it's not an active, so it means I will open it, read it and print it, so I didn't close it. So if I will run it, you can see the result is the same. So why is it so important to close the file? Because if you don't close the file, so it means that the file is still open. So it means that you need some resources of your computer to take care about the file. Okay, so and you don't want that. So the resources are very rare, so you need to close it and the resources will be free to do something different. Okay, so if you open something, you need to close it as well, and closing file is very important. Okay, so I hope that you understand why we need to close the file all the time, so you need to remember it. Okay.